Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacy. I'm Auntie Stacy. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called
A Very Busy Day. Today is a very busy day. Mama and I have lots of things to do and see. We walk to the station and find people in a queue. Old people and young people, loud people and quiet people, all going to town. Through the minibus window, I see cars driving by. Fast cars and slow cars, big cars and small cars. There are so many buildings in town, tall ones and short ones, glass ones and brick ones, everywhere I look. Mama and I walk in and out of shops. Shops for clothes and shops for books, shops for bags and all sorts of things. Mama tries on some shoes, red shoes and green shoes, high shoes and low shoes. On the street, everyone is friendly. They all say hello, bonjour, hola, jumbo. We take a break on a picnic blanket at the park. We see people exercising and playing instruments, people reading books and eating ice cream. In a big store, we fill a trolley with food, boxes of cereal and sacks of fruit, bags of flour and bottles of juice. Mama shows me the toys and asks me to choose. They are soft toys and round toys, loud toys and fast toys. Today we bought lots of things. Bags of food and bags of clothes, a pair of shoes and even some treats. Back at home, in our quiet house, I take out the special gift that Mama bought just for me.
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.